Hi and welcome back, guys. Today we're going to make this frog puppet out of a paper plate. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click on the like button and please subscribe if you haven't already. To make this frog puppet, you'll need 2 paper plates. Cut one in half. Glue or staple each of the half round pieces onto the other plate. This will form 2 pockets where you will later put your fingers to control the puppet. Now paint the top green and allow the paint to dry. Open up the plate and paint the mouth red. To make the tongue, cut out a red paper strip. Wrap it around the pencil to curl it. Glue the flat edge of the tongue to the centre of the inside of the frog's mouth. To make the eyes, I drew 2 green arch-shaped eyes. With the large circular hole punch, I cut out 2 white eyes. And lastly, with a smaller hole punch, I cut out 2 black eyes. Assemble and glue the pieces together to make the eyes. Fold back the bottom of the arch and stick on the eyes to the top of the paper plate. Place your hands in the pockets to animate your frog's puppet. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click on the like button if you liked the video. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.